Mavic Mini, and then we're gonna go ahead and go from here. We're gonna go ahead and see what this bad boy can do and see if he'll follow me. It's kind of weird because, you know, it doesn't have an active track, and I don't know why, DJI. You know, we gotta have active track on this Mini. It doesn't need obstacle avoidance, yes, but Parrot Anafi has active track. I mean, you know, Unique Mentis has active track. Parrot Bebop 2 has active track. Rover got active track. My Robomaster, and also my two of my gimbals, Mobile 3 and Osmo Pocket. And I don't know what's going on, DJI. So I'm just gonna do a manual, see if I can do close to active track. The wind is blowing this direction, so alright guys, I'm using the Mavic Pro 2 active track, also the Mavic Mini, and also the Robomaster. I'm doing 3 things in one, guys. All the same time. Fly. It's never been done before. And then I'm gonna go ahead and okay, striking me. This is crazy. And we'll see. Robomaster tracking me. Let's go. Active track. Woo! Robomaster S1. This is awesome. All right. There's still track. Woo! See? Wow! I got my Robomaster in there. I got my Mavic. Here you go. No obstacle avoidance needed. Woo! Look at this. Yeah. No active track. Look at that. Yeah. See? No, 2000, almost 2020, no active track. This is amazing. Woo! Mavic! Mavic Mini, Mavic Pro 2, Osmo, I'm sorry, Robomaster S1. Alright guys, you guys can see I'm actually using all 3 of these, and I'm still getting a good live feed Wi-Fi, and I mean lots of interference without no lag, without no problem. So it's amazing. This is nuts. Alright, let's go ahead. No active track. Woo! Yeah! Holy shot! Woo! Mavic Mini. So look at that. Woo! 2 of them chasing me. Alright guys, I have no problem using the Mavic Mini, controlling it. It's pretty easy to control, even though I'm using a Mavic Pro 2 up there and also the Robomaster. I'm still able to do it manually controlling the Mavic Mini without using Active Track. So it's not really a problem to me, but I mean, I think DJI should put this Active Track on this Mini. I mean, it can fly like a Mavic Pro 2. I mean, it can do almost the same thing if you guys see my video here. So yes. Oh, Robomaster S1on coming at me! Woo! Mavic Mini! So anyway guys, this is the Mavic Mini camera, and you can see, look at that, the dynamic range is pretty much good on this one. So you can actually, it's so easy to control. So I mean, yes, Active Track does help, but like what I hear right now, see, look at this. I mean, it's big enough for you to fix yourself on the editing post. But this is right here is the raw footage of the Mavic Mini camera. But it's just so smooth and it's easy to fly. So it's not really a big deal, like I said, doing the Active Track feature. But I think DJI should definitely put this on this Mavic Mini. I mean, look at it right now. I mean, I'm just flying it above the Mavic Pro 2. You can create different way of, like I said, you know, being creative. You can do different things just instead of Active Track, and you can do more. And of course, the Mavic Pro 2, you have Active Track, what, 2.0? So you have different ways of tracking yourself, and like I said, it's a good thing too to have that. And yeah, so you guys can see here, I mean, I have no problem, I have no lag, I have no issue, you know, doing multiple device. And I mean, I have so many interference, and I don't even have the Mavic Pro 2 with me. I mean, the controller's way out there. It's about 1.5 miles far away. And you guys can see over here. And the only thing that I have is the Mavic Mini controller and also the Robomaster. But the Mavic Mini is just up there following me wherever I go. Alright, now it's from the land. You guys can see I have my Robomaster following me using the Osmo action camera. And I mean, look how steady and rock solid footage do I get. I mean, I'm doing 3 multiple things. You guys can see over here. You can see the Mavic out there behind me, Mini. And I mean, this thing is just, they all just work. On the OneWheel! Woo! Robomaster! Look at that Mavic Mini together! Woo! Yeah! Look at that! Woo! Mavic Mini and Robomaster S1on! Oh, it's tracking all of us! Woo! So I'm returning back to home now, where I'm at. So apparently my Mavic Pro 2 just ran out of battery, so it's returning to home. So it's already up there waiting for us. And over here, I'm still coming back. I still have plenty of battery, and also my Robomaster also got a 35 minutes flight time. So I have plenty of juice returning it back without no problem. Ah! Look at that. Okay guys, I was 2 miles away using Active Track on the Mavic Pro 2. I don't even have the controller with me. I had it here the whole time. And most of the time that I have is the Mavic Mini controller and the Robomaster. And look, by the time I got here, look at it. Wow, how convenient it is just using Active Track on the Mavic Pro 2. And again, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Anyway guys, I'm just sharing my experience with you guys flying this Mavic. Land now!